Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to add a gallery to your Shopify store. The Shopify gallery section serves as a visual showcase for your products, displaying captivating images or collections that highlight your brand's offerings. With this feature, customers can explore a variety of products through inspiring photographs, gaining a deeper insight into your brand identity. If you're seeking an element to effortlessly present a group of images and enhance your page with stylish image pop-up galleries, look no further than the EComposer gallery element. This not only simplifies the process but also boosts consumer engagement and opens doors to upselling and cross-selling opportunities for your business. Okay, let's learn how to use EComposer gallery element now. Go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. Now choose an existing page that you want to add gallery. Here I choose a landing page. You can also create a completely new page by clicking the Start Building button here. Welcome to EComposer Editor. From the Elements tab, you will see the gallery element in the list of elements. Drag and drop it to any position of the selected structure. At this time, Gallery Preset will appear. Presets are a feature available in most EComposer elements. It is simply pre-built elements with stunning style and appearance. Details about element preset you can see in the element preset video here. With the gallery element, you can select an existing template here. You won't need to configure this gallery, you just need to replace the images you want into the existing template. If you want to use gallery preset, click the Use Full Preset button here. In case you don't want to use it anymore, just click that button again. Now I will help you configure this element. First, I will edit the Content tab. The Content tab has two main sections, Image and Overlay. With Image, you can choose the image that you want to show on the gallery element here. Click Add More button to add more images. Inside each photo, you have three more options. The first is Alt. By default, the photo names you select in your library will appear here. When adding Alt, your image will be clearly understood by the Google search engine and displayed what content it is referring to. Next is Caption. You can add captions to images here. The caption will appear below the image. And with Link, you are allowed to insert the link you want into the image. Select None if you don't want to insert a link. Choose Media field. Once you click on the image, the page will redirect to the link of the image and show the Click Open a Lightbox option. Note that you can select Yes or No to enable the Lightbox opening feature. And if you choose Custom Link, you can add any URL for the image here. Next is Crop Size. This option allows you to choose the size for the image. You can use original size, custom size, or available sizes, 400x 300 pixel, 500x 500 pixel, 800x 450 pixel. With EComposer gallery element, you are allowed to configure the number of images you want to display per row, and the spacing between each image and the image per row and spacing between parts. Now I will move on to the second main section of the Content tab, Overlay. Overlay only works when you tick the Enable Overlay checkbox here. You see, when you tick this checkbox, you will be free to choose the type of title source, including None, Alt, Caption, and Custom. Next, we will go to the Design section. Design section is also divided into Image and Overlay. In the Image section, you can adjust the alignment, width, max width, height, image fit, opacity, CSS filters, box shadow, border style, border radius, animation on hover, and transition duration. These settings provide flexibility in customizing the appearance of your images, allowing you to create visually appealing galleries tailored to your preferences. And in the overlay section, you can adjust the opacity and background color for the image overlay. Additionally, you have the option to apply CSS filters such as blur, brightness, contrast, and saturation to the overlay background. The transition duration setting enables you to control the speed of the transition effect when hovering over the image. These features offer customization options to enhance the visual presentation of your images with dynamic overlay effects. To finish editing, I need to save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added a gallery element to my page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you next time.